In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy USDT on Changelly. So firstly, open up Changelly app and then log into your Changelly account. So once you've logged into your account here, so what we're going to do, you're going to click on the buy or the trade option, which is the green color button on the middle of your screen, bottom middle. So click on it. And then here, you're going to select the buy option, tap on buy. Okay, so and you'll get to this buy screen here. So now here, you're going to select how much you want to invest on your USDT. So for example here, let's say I want to invest like $50, so I'm just going to select that. Okay, going to select $50, and then here to receiver here at the moment it says Bitcoin. So in this section here it says BTC. You're going to tap on that little arrow there, and then what we're going to do is you're going to go and look for USDT. So you want to select USDT. Okay, and select USDT here. All right, select USDT. All right, and then this is the one, and then here you can select, you will see how much you will get for 50, and then you're going to hit on next step here. And then when you click on next step here, what happens here, you need to provide the destination address. Okay, so for the destination address, if you don't have a wallet yet, so you can tap on this little icon here. Okay, so tap on it, and then you can install this AB wallet. Just download it from Play Store, or from App Store. Just download it, and then once you have downloaded, open up and log in, and you will get a wallet destination address there. So plug that destination address here in this field here. Okay, and then here you can choose all the payment method that's available for you, and then hit on confirm, and then complete the transaction. In that way, you'll be able to buy the USDT on Changelly.